ya, bro.
Hey YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden, back at again with another video. So starting this vlog off, we're back in the turbo Starlet, and you guys may tell from the title, but this could be the last time driving this car. So yeah guys, I'm selling the turbo Starlet. It's not really because I want to, but I never planned on keeping this car forever anyway. So what originally turned out to be a car that I bought for a laugh actually turned into one of my favorite cars that I've owned. So not only has this car taught me a bunch of new things, but it definitely helped me meet a bunch of new people. So it really has been a fun but short journey. And I guess now it's time for someone else to enjoy this car. I know that I'm gonna miss this car, but some of the best cars that I've only owned for a short amount of time. Like my DC5, I'm pretty sure I owned that car for literally a week. But at least I'll still have the Corolla to drive around, because honestly, that's the best daily. That Uncle Phil? Who's this guy? Uncle But since it's the last drive in the Starlet, it's only right we drive through Cabra one last time. This is the one thing I'm gonna miss the most about this car, just dosing it through John Street every day. But hopefully one day we can be dosing it in a Supra or something one day. I gotta get out that Asian playlist, you know. You never know who's walking down these streets. This car's so hot to drive in, but I'm literally hotboxing the whip, but it's just hot air. This could well and truly be the last time driving this car. My mistake is always coming to Cabra in peak hour traffic. Excuse me mate, do you know where John Street is? Bloody idiot. Oh mate, I just want to drive. And these people just walk in front of my car, so like, I don't know, is it my fault if I hit them? But yeah, this is not looking too good boys. I'm gonna show you. Mate, it's like the bloody crossing in Japan. Mate, you gotta love dosing it past Vietnam. Like, look at these fools, mate. Yeah, you love the dose, huh? Yo, what up, bro? How you doing? Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. That's crazy, bro. We out here getting noticed in Cabra. That's respect, bro. So yeah, boys, we just made it to the end of John Street, so that's the last time driving this car through Cabra. Good times, bro, for real. But I'm pretty excited to start saving up again and hopefully buy something even cooler than the Turbo Starlet. I don't know how we're gonna top this, but we'll figure it out. We've been running 10 pound in this car with a stock ECU and the car's still been holding up. So I guess it's been scientifically proven that these cars can run a decent amount of boost. Last pull in the Starlet, second gear. You cut out a piece of me and now I bleed internally. Left here without you. Probably cry, but okay. Go, go, go. She always be talking like she knows. So there you go. Oh, can't make a wife out of a hoe. Alright guys, so currently we're driving back home right now, and I'm pretty sure the bloke's already at my house. But I don't know if I'm gonna record the inspection, so I'll speak to you guys later. So let's go for a quick drive.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss this car, bro.
I can imagine.
I just used to just love dosing it, like the dose is just the best. Because when I first bought it, it was only pushing 5 pound.
Yeah.
And the turbo wasn't like as responsive, but now like you put your foot down, you get like this.
Yeah, that's sick, bro.
It just makes you smile every time, bro. I love it.
Yeah, I'll probably get my hands on a TDO4, but I'll make sure I get it tuned with it.
Yeah, for sure. It can definitely push some decent power. My mate had one on E85, had a T28 on it, but I think he made 140, and that's plenty of power for these cars, man. I'm telling you.
Coilovers are real sturdy as well.
Yeah, like I'm pretty surprised how this car handles.
Yeah. That's bad.
Yeah, so once you come on boost, like this thing just goes. I think these cars are becoming more rare. Like
they are.
Everything is hard to find. Like even my Sportivo maybe 3 years ago you could buy like a clean one for 3 grand.
Yeah.
But now everyone's asking for 8 grand for their
8.
Sportivos, mate. Like,
COVID tax, like, man. It's everything. Anything turbo or nice NA, like.
It has like 3rd gear crunch, and they're asking for like ridiculous prices.
Exactly, bro.
But like, for the money I'll sell this car to you, like you can't go wrong.
Exactly. Yeah, that's it, bro.
Like just as a daily or whatever, like honestly, it's the best. And I only really drove this car just to make videos.
Yeah.
I bought it for a laugh, but like you know, you can't own 2 cars.
That's it, man.
I need to get rid of this thing before I lose my license.
Yeah, I hear you, bro.
Honestly.
Alright, so do you have the RMS app?
Yeah, I do. I have the paperwork too, but like
It's just easier with the
yeah,
RMS.
just easier.
I'll just grab some cash, bro. I'll be right
No worries, bro. Am I making a big mistake selling this car, boys? I think it's done. The deal is done. It was nice knowing you, Starlet. It was nice knowing you.
Just the other day, shit was all cool. Now I can't catch a break. Thinking about
Currently, we're in the Turbo Starlet right now.
But I run back to you, cause one more night alone just might not be good for. What got into you? Why you acting brand new for? What I ever do? Maybe I just took it too far.
There you go.
I didn't fall apart. Maybe I was a little too much. Now I'm thinking too much. Drinking a little too much.
But that's something I can't discuss. Oh, that one is there? That's a big sleeper.
And I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you.
Holy, we're going fast.
How
you doing? Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. It's Sesame, bro. Starlet just made it back in one piece. He lives another day. It was nice knowing you. Anyways, I guess this is the end of an era, boys. See ya, bro.
Three hours later.
They need a 3-ball. Oh, no. LaMelo!
Alright guys, so it's the next day right now after selling the Starlet, and I'm actually going to miss that car a lot. But I'm pretty excited to start saving up again and putting the money towards bigger and better projects for the channel. So if you guys want to show your support, be sure to hit that like button, make sure you subscribe if you're new, and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace.
It's getting kinda late now. I should probably go home. I got way too lit last night. Still ended up on my own.